Hello, today I am going to show you how to bass boost audio Equalizer APO. So let's start the main video. First, open Equalizer APO. Here you can see the presets of audio. You can boost your audio by clicking bass boost. Also you can boost your audio manually using this slider. But presets can save your time. I will recommend to use presets. Boosting bass in Equalizer APO is a great way to improve the depth and power of your audio. By increasing the lower frequency bands such as 20 Hz, 40 Hz, and 80 Hz, you can make music, movies, and games sound richer and more immersive. Equalizer APO allows users to customize their sound settings easily, giving full control over how the audio is balanced on their computer. This makes it a popular tool for people who want better sound quality without needing expensive audio equipment. Overall, Equalizer APO provides a flexible and effective way to boost bass and enhance your listening experience. And that's it. Thanks for watching.